Hi friends, welcome to the Money Breeder. In this video, I'm going to discuss about one interesting stock which is coming from the very bottom. I feel in this stock the fall might have finished. I'm expecting some uh, reversal from here, and also I feel bad is over in this stock. Okay, before going to the stock details, this is the standard disclaimer. Please be mindful of it. Okay, and also this video just I am covering how to find the bottom picks during the reversals. Okay, for the positional trade. Okay, coming to the stock name is Star Health Insurance. Okay, normally, as many of you guys knows that, okay, I always use weekly time frame and 20 moving average. Okay, so see, the stock is continuously falling, right? The stock is continuously falling, making the lower highs and lower lows, making the lower highs. Okay, something like this, making the lower highs. Okay, let me cut it here till this point. Okay, this was the stock current status. Okay, after making the continuously lower highs and lower lows, okay, all of sudden stock, you know, continuously it is making like this. Okay, next lower low, if we see right here, this is the trend, previous high, this is the 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 previous high. All of sudden stock started moving, break the previous high. Okay, all of sudden stock reached to this point, break this previous high, and give the retracement to this level. What it means? So the trend got deviated. Okay, the moment you see this kind of behavior, okay, this is the primary sign as per my observation in many stocks. Okay, this is the primary sign for taking the entries into any stock. Okay, if we see few more stocks, I will show you. Okay, same criteria I chosen. hmm, Metropolis. Okay, this was the Metropolis. What happened was in the stock. Okay, of course we took into the somewhere here entry, and we traded till 1900 and exited. Okay, earlier this was continuously making the lower lows. Okay, here if we see here, it made the breakout, but this is where it failed actually. Okay, after that once again it fallen. So that means it gave the first sign here itself. It gave the first sign there is a probability some buyers added to the stock. Okay, then after that it went down and took the all the stop losses, some accumulation. This is weekly chart. It might have taken more than 10 weeks, 10 to 20 weeks in this. Okay, this is the first sign. We can see after the consolidation stock went up and it failed to make the next low. Okay, this is the point where we can start entering slowly and take this. Okay, this is the place where 1500 it went to all to the 2200. Okay, this is the area. See, since here the institutions have entered, okay, this is the area, value is there. Okay, this is the fair value actually. This is the fair value for the stock. That is the reason the moment it entered into this area, stock bounced back. Okay, And one more stock is MedPlus. Okay, this MedPlus also similar stock. It had continuously fallen. Okay, here all of sudden what happened was it breaks here. It broken here. Okay, we are waiting for some retracement. We entered here and captured nicely. Now it is making the higher highs, higher highs. Okay, similarly, of course, this is having the very bad news. Okay, so I do mention that this is very around the 600 levels. It's a time for us to take the entry into the Paytm, something like this. Okay, in this area somewhere, few people took actually. So first the previous high. Okay, whatever the previous high, once this breaks out, that means trend got deviated. What is the previous trend? Earlier trend was bearish, now it got deviated. Okay, wait for the some retracement and take the entry and have the stop loss. Okay, always we must have the stop loss. Similarly, those are some few examples actually. Okay, now in the stock also the behavior is, if we see the same behavior in the stock also. Okay, this was the previous low. Okay, if we see, make it little bit downside, this is the exactly what happened. Okay, this is the low, it got deviated, but still it didn't, okay, made the next high. When it is compared to this high, right, when it is compared to this high, it made the next high. What happened here is, if we see here, this is where the stock first created the W pattern. The stock created the W pattern, breakout, retest back to this level. Now it is trying to go up. Okay, this is the double bottom pattern. And also, whenever you see this kind of bigger size move, right, if it is big move candles like this, okay, if you make the candle composition, all these candles, you make it as a single candle. Okay, of retracement, the stock reaches to the 50% retracement, there is a high probability of reaching out. Now you can take the entry in this area or in this area by having the small stop loss. Okay, aim for this level, slowly trail the stop loss and keep add into the every level. Okay, this is what the technical analysis, we can find the bottom peaks in any level. So coming to the stock, okay, in case if we wanted to attempt to the trade 455, we can start entering from the 455 by having the stop loss of 400 or 395, or even here, because start with the smaller quantity, slowly keep on adding into the every level. Whenever this stock breaks this area, comes back, add little bit here. Okay, when it is going upstairs, add little bit here. Going to the next staircase, okay, add here and here, something like that. Okay, you can slowly add and hold the stock by having the trailing stop loss. Okay, that's all friends in the stock. Okay, I wanted to discuss to figure out the bottom peaks. Okay, the trend is something like always it makes right. The first time it deviates. Okay, after that it retests back to this level and goes up. Okay, this is where we can say, okay, inverse head and shoulder pattern breakout, which is the powerful. Normally this is where the patterns always forms. Okay, like this. Then create the trap, take all the stop losses. Okay, reach to this point, retest back to this level. Okay, take out, break, it takes the breakout. Okay, normally people takes here break after the breakout or retest here. Okay, I usually start taking from here by having the stop loss here slowly, then here also few. After retest again I will add few and complete three levels complete the position by here by having the this one. This is how the best average price we will get it. Okay, into any stock. Okay, this is how the patterns will form. And also here one interesting thing is stock was continuously trading above the moving average and coming down, above the moving average and coming down. Okay, after that it stopped coming down, I feel. Okay, because this is the engulfing, right? This is the bullish engulfing. If we go to the monthly time frame, we can see. Okay, this is the biggest candle. Okay, in which 50% retracement, 50% retracement came, as I mentioned. Now we are expecting slowly bounce back from here. Okay, this is how the stock goes. Okay, that's all, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe for my channel and also press the like button. Thank you so much.